big boy now and you'll never let her go. But just the kind of thing she ought to know. Tell her about it, tell her everything you feel. Give her every reason to accept